Tashi the Lake. Today we're going to learn about personal pronouns and linking verb to be. Today's vocabulary are as follows: kerang, kerang, nga, nga, kong, kong, re, re, yin, yin. The personal pronoun of the first person, I, in Tibetan is nga, nga. The personal pronoun for the second person, you, is kerang, kerang. The personal pronoun for third singular person, whether he or she, in Tibetan is kong, kong. Kong is also an honorific way to address a personal pronoun of the third person. So when you say the sentence, I am, we use the linking verb yin in Tibetan. So for I am, it is nga yin. Nga yin. Yin is used only for the first person. So if you want to add your name, you can add it in between personal pronoun and the linking verb. So for the sentence, I am Peter, it is nga Peter yin. Nga Peter yin. So you can try it with your name. For the second personal pronoun, we use the linking verb re, re. So when you say you are Peter, that is in Tibetan, kerang Peter re, kerang Peter re. For the third person, the rule is same. We also use the linking verb re in Tibetan. So when you say he is Tenzin, it will be kong Tenzin re. Kong, that is he or she, and the name Tenzin, and the linking verb re. So he is Tenzin in Tibetan, it is kong Tenzin re. The same is applied to the things or items. When you state the sentence such as is cup, is computer, is coffee, in Tibetan you just say cup re, coffee re, computer re. We will cover the vocabulary later for cup, computer and coffee. But for now, we know that the personal pronoun of first person is nga, second person is kerang, the third person is kong. We also know how to use the linking verb yin for the first person and the linking verb re for the second and the third person, as well as for items or things. Thank you.